Welcome to your U.S. History, Unit 12, World War II test review. First, you have a set of matching that you can pause and work together to see what you can find. This is chronology, putting things in order. And finally, match the pre-World War II idea or term with one from Unit 12. Explain why they are a good match. That's the key. Work together with your classmates on this. We also have your action-reaction. Here's 1 through 14. Notice they're set in two different groups. (15 through 29), two separate sets of matching. And finally, everybody's favorite, the limericks. Here's the first 4. My suggestion is you just read through and try and figure out what might fit. Don't necessarily try and write them all out. Maybe have you and a classmate doing them at the same time. By phone, of course. Here's the last limerick on the bottom left, along with the Dr. Seuss cartoon from May 15th, 1941. Catch the date. This is just a short set of review assignments to help you get ready for your Unit 12 World History test. Thanks for being my neighbor.